Amniocentesis. Question 8 is what? Amniocentesis for sex determination is banned in our country. What, students? It is banned in our country. Do you think this ban is necessary? Do you think this ban is necessary? Comment. Okay. So let's understand the concept of what amniocentesis is. So when a baby is born or when a mother carries a child, in very early stages, maybe 8 to 12 weeks. 8 to 12 weeks. This process, amniocentesis, is done in utero. Now what happens is, this is the fetus and there is an outer covering of a placenta. In this placenta, there is an amniotic sac. Amniotic sac is filled with a fluid. That fluid contains cells. So what is done? An injection or a needle-like thing is taken. It is placed inside the mother and the fluid is taken out to check whether the child has got any genetical diseases or not. Now it is filled with cells, and cells will have chromosome XX or XY. Now in early times, what used to happen, if the mother carrying child does have XX chromosome, it means that the child is female. And in early ages, they used to terminate the pregnancy because it was a female child. And because of this thing, girl childs were dying and the death rate used to increase a lot. So when this used to happen, our government put a statutory ban on amniocentesis and sex determination. And thus, I believe this ban is necessary just to save a girl child and having equality between men and women. So the answer to this question is, ban is necessary because amniocentesis is misused. So it was what? Misused. To kill a normal female fetus by finding her sex. Okay? This is your complete answer to question number 8.